Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. Today I'm going to share this quick donut recipe with you. It's a treaty day and these are the ingredients that I am going to be using. I am just going ahead to dissolve my yeast before I use it. I will leave this for about 5 minutes while I get on to prepare my dry ingredients. So here I've got my flour. I'm going to add some baking powder, a pinch of salt, and some sugar. So I know I have been on about healthy eating, trying to eat balanced diet and all that. But today we are going to treat ourselves. But the great thing here is that we are making the donut ourselves. We know what we are going to put in and how much we'll be putting in. So that makes a difference. So I have mixed my dry and wet ingredients together to form a dough. It's very sticky. You can add a little bit of flour, but don't be tempted to add too much. Hence why I am using olive oil to grease my worktop and make it easy for me to knead. So I'm going to knead this until it's very smooth and stretchy, basically elastic, or you can put it in your stand mixer and knead it until you get the same result. So here we go. I'm now going to place this in my bowl and let it double in size. So this is how it looks like if you knead it with a stand mixer. I am just spraying some oil in the bowl so that it doesn't stick when it rises, and I left this for about almost an hour to rise, and this is how it's looking at the end. And now I'm making sure to release all air in the dough, and I'm going ahead to just cut and shape my dough. You can measure this if you want, but I am not doing that. I'm just going by my guess. I may have some bigger than the other, but it doesn't really matter. Once that is done, I will place on parchment paper just like this so that it's easier to fry, and leave it for about 30 minutes to double in size just like this. Okay guys, at this point we are ready to start frying. I have preheated my oil for about 5 minutes on medium high heat, and I am now going ahead to start frying. So once I place the dough in the oil, you can see that it's almost not doing anything. I also reduce the heat just because I don't want it to burn outside and then not even cook inside. You need to understand how your hob works. If not, you're going to actually have few errors while trying to fry your donuts. You may have a soggy donut or too much oil, or a lot of errors. So make sure you understand how it works. I started by heating my oil on 5, and then I lower it to 4 and then to 3 so that I get the perfect fried donuts. That is how my hob works. I use electric cooker, and this is how it works for me. So I have fried my donuts in batches, about 5 minutes, flipping back and forth to make sure that it's fried properly, evenly on each side. Make sure you don't overcrowd your frying pan or whatever you're using. If not, it's going to soak oil. And finally, I am just dusting that with some sugar, and this is the end result. It is so fluffy and cushy. I didn't use too much sugar to make the donuts, so this right here was an excuse for me. It was still soft the day after and after and after. I hope you like this video, and if you do, thumbs up for me. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you very much, and bye bye for now.